Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Valor Reviews. Now in today's video, I'm going to unbox the Tecno Pouvoir 3 and I'm going to give you my initial impressions. I was going to do a battery drain test and a charging test, but this phone wouldn't die. Out of the box, the battery was at 70%. 3 hours later, after watching YouTube, playing some games, going through Instagram, the battery is at 61%. How do you drain the battery of a phone that has 6000 milliamps capacity? I'll probably leave the flashlight on, play a looping video at max brightness, and pray it dies before tomorrow morning. Anyways, back to the unboxing. But before that, enjoy this B-roll. The first thing you'll notice when you open the box is the phone. My version has 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gig of internal storage. The Tecno Pouvoir 3 Plus comes in 3 colors: black, gold, and blue. The blue color looks the best, but the downside is it's a fingerprint magnet. In the box, you have a SIM removal tool, a 10 watts charging brick with no fast charging, a micro USB cable, headphones, warranty card, a Google Assistant paper that tells you your device has a dedicated button to activate Google Assistant, and finally a TPU case with Tecno branded on it. Now back to the device. It has a 6.35-inch AMOLED display with a dot notch that accommodates the 13 megapixel front-facing camera. The 720p display on this device isn't bad. Colors are sharp, but when I move the phone closer to my eyes, I noticed some pixelation. At the rear of the device, you have a fingerprint reader, the triple camera setup, and a flash. On the left side of the device, you have the red Google Assistant button that can't be remapped. You also have the dual SIM and memory card slot. On the right side, you have the power button and the volume keys. On the top, there's nothing. And on the bottom, you have the single speaker, micro USB port, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now, the main attraction of the Pouvoir 3 Plus is the massive 6000 milliamps battery. After using the phone for 7 hours, the battery dropped down from 70% to 52%. Now that's impressive. The massive battery isn't the only thing that keeps this device running for days. The 720p display and the MediaTek Helio P22 chip are power efficient too. For a phone that costs 46,000 naira, the phone feels well made and sturdy. The Pouvoir 3 Plus isn't for hardcore users, but it will handle browsing, chatting, reading emails, social media, watching YouTube without any problems, and can do that for days on a single charge. So there you have it. As you can see, the main selling point of the Tecno Pouvoir 3 Plus is the 6000 milliamps battery that can last for days. Tecno didn't make this device for gamers. No, they made it for... Oh, you see now, they made it for Nigerians. No electricity. I'll be doing a battery drain test and charge test tomorrow. So subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you don't miss out on that video. As always, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. That's if I can get this battery to 0%. Valor signing out.